Wait for it, wait for it. Right, now move on.
Yeah.
Thank you. And the boot sales on the other side.
Yeah.
Isn't that lovely? Right, you going up the front?
Yeah. Not ridden him yet.
Oh, right.
Look, there, come here, no.
So you bought your whip this time.
Huh?
You bought a whip this time.
Have you?
No, you have.
Oh yeah, I know. Billy said it's been
Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Come on. A little bit quicker. Come on.
Just quickly, would you like to trot to the top before we turn around?
Yes, if you like that.
Yep.
Just so we know what
He will. Trot on. Trot. Good girl. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, girl. Trot. Don't think so. She wasn't all that keen.
Oh, you said I didn't trot in him before. I was like, whee! Someone flung me out the saddle, he was bouncing. You need to listen, you need to wait. I won't do anything. You go like
Robbie,
this.
you're lazy.
Just remember, keep those heels down. Would you like to see if he'll trot up here if you're now going towards home? Really get up there.
And trot on. Trot on. Good girl. And walk on.
Yes, you got that.
Good girl.
Oh, I like that.
Morning. Are they very tight then? Are they armoured
Oh
or
no,
are they
they're
just
not
material?
tight or anything, it's just rubber
Right.
around them. And all it does is, if the back foot hit, it just hits the rubber and it doesn't...
You can see where it's been hit quite a bit. Hello, mate.
And then
Come
these
on.
are tendon boots that he's got on, and fetlock boots. And that is just for, well, you know what your tendons are.
Yeah.
So it protects his tendons and his legs.
Oh look, they're having sweet
And then-
nothings.
Oh,
Oh, you're having a little chat.
and you can also get brushing boots, which have had a...
Hiya. Again, I thought. Whoa, 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 whoa! Stand, 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 stand. Slow down, slow down, slow down, slow down. Hey, good girl, slow down. And walk, and stand, and stand. Oh, have I had a gallop?
Steady. Alright.
Jack, what was all that about?
Get off into it. Oi,
What was all that about then, eh?
oi. You have this really heavy shoulder.
Oh,
I nearly come off. See, that spin was like the sharpest.
it was quite, I quite enjoyed the ride. Right, this is where it happened, wasn't it? Is that the tree that you hit? Right, there might be a horse in that field. Don't you panic. There he is. Look, it's only a little horse. You won't hurt you. Hello, horse in the field. Is it because he's got a scary mask on?
Yeah, the horse Fanny, you guys lost every day.
Oh, could have been. Oh, you're not riding?
Huh?
You're not riding?
We are there.
Oh dear.
I'm just letting him settle down. I'm my ankles again.
Yeah, we're home. Good girl. And stand. Stand. Ooh. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Oh. Look at your saddle. What a mess it is. Yeah, I know your saddle's come off. Made a right cock up of that, haven't we? Yeah, I know. Oh, I know. Good girl. Did you have a nice ride? It's good, wasn't it? It was good, wasn't it? I need a bit of a hand with this saddle. Girth's come undone. Oh, Lilly, sorry about that. It's as I got off.
Was it?
Yeah. Oh, how good's that? Yeah, he's off. Is he going away, do you think?
Probably.
Oh, look, he loves me. She loves.
Going back past Fanny and going back down the hill. I don't think it's hard in the time, but...
Is she going in the stable?
Hey!
Which one?
I think Fanny's taking this one.
I'm putting you to bed. Good girl. There you go. Now, I've got to do something with this.
Yeah. Show you?
Let me see if I can remember.
Okay.
Then do this.
Yeah.
That's your, is it a chin strap?
Cheek.
Cheek strap. Right. And then we go 1, 2, 3.
Yep.
And that goes back through there.
Yep, and just tie that up loosely.
Good girl. Oh, can't actually see any holes, but I haven't got my glasses on.
Okay.
Would that be enough?
Yep, that's perfect.
And can't do your saddle because it fell off. As I got off, it went.
Oh.
You're a lovely girl, aren't you?